In the heart of busy Saigon, there is a place where time seems to stop, an island of fate where old legends are still very much alive. Welcome to Phu Chau Mieu, the floating temple. To get here, you have to leave the land behind. It's just a short boat ride, but it feels like a bridge between the noise of the city and the total peace. You feel completely hidden away from the outside world. This temple dates back to the time of King Gia Long, over 300 years ago. It started out as just a tiny shrine dedicated to the five elements. After many ups and downs, there were times when it was almost abandoned and left in ruins. It wasn't until 1992 that an artist named Luc Dung helped bring its souls back to life. The most impressive part is the ceramic mosaic art. Millions of broken ceramic pieces were carefully put together to make over 100 powerful dragons. This is more than just architecture. It's a beautiful mix of hard work and the faith of the people in Saigon. Legend has it that a poor fisherman found a woman's body in the river and buried her here with care. Since then, her spirit has protected this area, keeping life peaceful and full. Stepping over the threshold, the noisy world outside fades away. You find yourself in a labyrinth of art and faith. Beneath the drifting incense smoke, thousands of ceramic statues emerge in vibrant detail. From the solemn 18 hearts to the altars of the five elements goddesses. Every shard of porcelain, every gaze of the deities, tells a story of reincarnation and compassion, bringing an unexpected stillness to the soul. But the most mysterious story is about the snake gods. People say that while the temple was empty, two giant snakes guarded it, and they only vanished into mystery once the temple was finally restored. It's more than just the architecture. This is actually Saigon's most famous spot, where prayers for love and peace really come true. And beyond the beautiful carvings, this is where people share their deepest wishes. On the swaying ferries crossing the Vam Thuat River, people carry more than just prayers. They bring small lives. As birds take flight into the blue sky and fish disappear into the cool water, burdens are lifted from the heart. Here, the act of releasing animals is more than a ritual. It's how Saigonese choose to show kindness to all living things, building a bridge of peace and karma for their own journey. Phu Chau Mieu is more than a spiritual sanctuary. It is a living chapter in the city's vast cultural and historical archive. To journey deeper into the heart of this metropolis, subscribe to Saigon Remix, past, present, future. Join our cultural and history documentary channel as we continue to review the hidden gems and timeless story of Saigon.